In business situations, people often meet others for the first time. This may happen in the office, during meetings, or at company events. First impressions are formed quickly, and short introductions help people understand who someone is and why they are there. A simple sentence such as, "I'm Anna, I work in marketing," gives clear, essential information about a person's role and position. Adding a polite phrase like, "Nice to meet you," shows professionalism and creates a positive first impression. Introducing other people is also common at work. Colleagues may need to be connected for a task, a discussion, or a project. For example, saying, "This is Mr. Jones, he is in accounting," helps others understand roles and relationships right away. Clear introductions reduce confusion and allow conversations to begin naturally without awkward pauses. Without clear introductions, people may feel unsure about how to address each other or may forget names and roles quickly. Using simple, polite introduction phrases helps interactions begin smoothly, establishes professional relationships, and sets the stage for effective communication and collaboration.